congratulations! Nakarating tayo ng Takadang. So Melvin, while I'm doing this, I'll show yung dating video mo when we were starting. And exactly there, behind you.
Yeah.
Diba? Diyan lang sa road muna tayo. I mean, sa concrete part dito sa LTO Taytay sa MMF. Tapos, September, yun yung una nating labas. Punta tayo ng Tanay.
Yeah.
Dumaan tayo sa Cuyambay. May area doon na may bato rin.
Yeah.
Pero hindi gnarly. Alam mo yun, hindi loose.
Gnarly for me.
Gnarly for you at that time. Tapos, I remember, sumemplang ka 2 beses, nag-uwi pa tayo ng Palaka.
Yeah. Pauwi na tayo dahil nasa damuhan na yung motor. I guess pumasok yung Palaka. And yeah, it was fun but lots of learnings and yeah, those were the days.
Okay, and then 5 months later, you know, we went to Takadang, and I'm so proud. It's not to brag, but it's actually to encourage other community na pwede pala yun kasi hindi ka sumemplang eh. Inulan pa tayo pa uwi.
Yeah.
So can you share lang sa kanila, ano yung commitment na ginawa mo? Like, do you train regularly? Do you have a dirt bike? O ano yung program mo, you know?
I started when there was an invite sa Adventurer and MMF, Julio Filoso. And ayun, so pumunta ako, track fee lang, why not, diba? And then it started there. Parang very basic and siguro favorable sa akin kasi medyo malapit lang yung bahay namin. And then after that, I know na natututo ko and that's what I need. I want to be confident using my bike. So it started there. Almost weekly. Basta nagtatrain yung twins, nandito ako. I mean, sayang eh. Parang malapit sa akin and I took advantage of it. Coach Sam is so passionate about safety and all those stuff. And yun, then meron din mga times na wala si Coach Sam dito, pero ayun, nagpapaalam ako, pupunta ako ng track and ayun, ganun lang, as much as possible because I'm also a working professional. I have my day job, I have a family to feed and yeah, as much as possible, I train weekly.
Once a week na?
Once a week, yeah. Weekends.
Okay. What was your mindset nung Takadang natin? Kasi syempre may pressure yan.
Yeah.
Kasi naka-big bike ka eh. Oh, by the way, ano yung bike mo?
Transalp 750, a Honda brand bike. Yeah. Before that, actually hindi talaga ako nagtitrail coach eh. I mean, I have 2 rides before Takadang. One was General Nakar. I was invited by Harry. Second was Mount Ugo, like 2 days before yung Nakar natin. So, then, I mean the Takadang. Then nagtakadang na ako. So yun lang. Yeah, may pressure definitely. Pero I think from the very start, malinaw yung goal ko eh. I mean, I want to ride that place. I mean, sobrang ganda. Salamat sa group nila Mark Sung. Parang pinakita niya sa atin kung ano yung meron doon. And yeah, that inspired me para to push more, to train hard.
Grabe.
Yeah, and ayun, nung nandun na tayo, mahirap siya eh, technically. But I guess parang pumapasok siya eh. I mean, how you trained me. Pumapasok ko ano yung gagawin ko eh. May times na reflex na lang siya. I don't know, yeah, walang semplang hanggang ngayon, di rin naman ako makapaniwala. Pero at the end of the day, if you check kung ano ba talaga yung reason, so, well, besides the will of the Lord, but we did all the trainings.
Yes.
And I think it paid off naman. I mean, maraming gnarly part, but I know what to do. There was a time also na, I mean, may biglang lalabas sa sasakyan and I just have to find my line. Those are small things na, I don't know, one Saturday siguro natakal natin. You have to train your eyes, find the line. You have to know how to slow down, how to use your front, your rear brake, the engine brake. All together. And application talaga, coach. Application. I mean, dito lang talaga ako sa track eh. I mean, alam mo yan, dito lang talaga ako. Yeah. And as I progress sa track, napapansin ko naman, bumibilis ako. May mga parts na parang mag-struggle ako. Pero ayun nga, parang sinasabi mo, always end the run with a good run. So that pag uwi mo, you feel good. And yun, ganun lang. Paulit-ulit lang, paulit-ulit. And I don't know. I don't, it's such a, siguro para sa akin, I'm proud of myself. I'm proud of my MMF family with General Buboy and all our company. Yeah, that's been my journey. I mean, 5-6 months.
Yeah.
It's really doable. Like I
5-6 months to the hardest test of an adventure rider and no crash.
Yeah, and kagabi, I mean, nagche-check ako ng mga old videos natin eh. I don't know. I can't really believe it. I can't even stop my bike na you know, confident rider. Parang gaganong pa ako. And it's really funny, but yeah, it's an awesome experience. And for all the people who feels like you're not really confident riding your bike and you want to enjoy this stuff, maganda yung Pilipinas, and yun nga yung, di ba, coach, nung nandun tayo, sobrang ganda ng Pilipinas. So, before going to Himalayas, and that's one of the bucket list, by the way, but yeah, try to explore more here locally.
Yeah. Mas tipid pa.
But yeah.
Kailangan nga lang magbaon ng skills.
Yeah,
Pagtakadang.
skills. Yeah,
Pagtakadang,
and
diba?
I don't know, hindi ko naman sinasabi na madali siya, mahirap siya technically, but it will be easier,
Pag nagtrain.
enjoyable if you have the skills, proper skills, you have the proper guidance, hindi overconfident, and yeah, may enjoy nyo siya. Unlike nung una kong trail na napasama, I mean, parang lahat, ang dami mong worries.
Yeah.
Hindi mo
This
siya
one,
ma-enjoy. Pero this one, it's my first time there, but yeah, I'm shouting sa joy, not really with that because I'm afraid of the trail, pero yeah, masayang experience. As in, yeah, I almost cried, di ba? I said it to the group, like, pardon my voice, I almost cried.
Oo naman.
Yeah.
Kasi nandun na yung takot, nandun na yung saya.
Yeah.
And then relief.
Yeah, as in.
Alright, Delvin, thank you for your time. Congratulations.
No problems. Anytime, coach.